Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up some more t-shirts for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Still a little bit under the weather. We're all sicky. Well, my voice sounds strange, but we're still out here tie-dyeing. Nice, beautiful, warm day.
We gotta skip church, but we're gonna come out here and tie-dye.
Yep. Well, we can't exactly be around other people, but the show must go on. You can't just sit at home and do nothing just because you can't go around other people.
Alright, what do we want to do?
I don't know. What are you feeling for this one? Nice, good XL.
We haven't done a good scrunch in a while.
Good scrunch. Nice XL scrunch tee. It has been a while on the scrunch. I hate to say what the last scrunch we did was, but let's just say it ruffled some feathers. Look at that shirt. Nice, beautiful scrunch pattern. Easy to do. Just scrunch it up, bunch it up, band it up, and to the rack we go.
Did we get the bottom good? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Love. So we got some fire red to kick it off.
I think I'm gonna do fire red and golden yellow.
Fire red and golden yellow.
That way it'll mix with the...
Make nice oranges and whatnot.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Make all sorts of pretty oranges and pinks and reds. A little bit of deep orange on there too.
Yeah, just a tad.
Oh yeah. You gotta, you know, have a little bit of flavor in there. Is that all you're gonna put on this one?
Yeah.
So, all told, on this one we have deep orange, fire red, and citrus yellow. Or is that golden yellow?
Golden.
That is golden yellow, yes. All told, on this one we have deep orange, citrus yellow, and gold. I did it again. Ah.
It is golden yellow.
It is golden, right?
Yeah.
That's a citrus. So, all told, on this one we have golden yellow, deep orange, and fire red. Beautiful scrunch. I'm just all over the place today, people. Deep orange, golden yellow, fire red. A beautiful trifecta of color. Nice little splash of the deep orange. Little skosh of golden yellow. Couple drops of fire red and a little white.
We don't have a dry rag.
Oh yeah, let me get that. Got to put a couple more skoshes of that red on there or something. Or yellow.
I wanted to leave plenty of white. It really helps with the scrunch patterns, because you can see the colors a lot better.
To the drying rack. Middle shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.